I think that piece right there was the one that just messed everything up. I want to talk about like the ending of my video, which is a picture of a mural I saw in a city close by. This is absurd. Like, what am I doing this for? Like, what's the point of posting these videos? Like, I don't want fame to get to the money. It's like years into this, and like everything I built and everything, like why doing it? Like, what's the point? Like at all? So it's just a reminder to myself that this is absurd. But so is everything else. What's the point of making the bed or like brushing your teeth? Like, it's it's absurd. Well, maybe brushing your teeth is a bit has more point than anyways. It's a concept from one of the books. Um, just give me. I'll look for the book. The Myth of Sisyphus by Albert Camus. Which it like this is absurd. It's just like a remix of the mundane, which he talks about in his book. Like, what's the point of that mural at all? Just like, this is absurd. It might be like way too big for me to explain, but yeah, it's just a reminder to myself, I guess. Alright. So, yeah. The radio thing didn't end up working. First soldering project, and yeah, it was kind of fun. I burned myself a couple times, not gonna lie. Yeah, at the beginning I couldn't get the thing to melt. I thought I was doing something wrong, so I had to re-record. And then, of course, at the end it didn't work. I had to take that piece out, put the pliers, and I think I broke it. And I think that's what's not letting it work. But the LED light doesn't light up when I connect it uh, to the actual like power thing. So maybe it was that piece. Maybe it was something else. Who knows? But yeah, I guess next time we'll get him next year. I guess type of thing. All right.